When we do our artificial harmonics, it's going to be just like our natural harmonics, but we're going to use our right hand to kind of do everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you basically how I want you to do this with your thumb. I'm basically going to take my thumb and pretend like it's my left hand third finger directly over that 12th bar, right? So I'm going to put the side of my thumb, this will be a close-up probably good on this. I'm going to take the side of my thumb right here, and I'm going to put that directly over that 12th fret, so you can see where that is. And in fact, from the front view, so I'm over the 12th fret with the side of my thumb right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck the string with the pick, and as it goes, the pick goes through the string bounces and hits the side of my thumb, which is the same thing as if I use my finger to do the same thing. I'm just doing it all with one hand here. Okay? And you may notice that my thumb is pointed towards the ground. Right? I'm kind of bending my thumb more when I do the artificial harmonics. So we're going to take that technique and simply move it back to here, and this is where we're going to make these artificial harmonics happen. So we can go back to a wide shot, and I'll show you here with my left hand. I'm going to use the 7th fret on the 3rd string. I'm using it with my 3rd finger because I may want to bend the note down the road. But this is a pretty comfortable spot for notes to really jump for artificial harmonics. Great place to start. So my right hand over here, I'm going to hit the string with the pick just like I did when I did the natural harmonic. And as the pick goes through the string, it should bounce off the side of my thumb, and right when I feel it hit that thumb, you're going to pick up. Okay, so you'll notice here's the natural note, here's the harmonic. You can't really see with that view there, but now watch this, watch the thumb what I'm doing here. Here it's, if I go close up on that one more time, there we go. So here I'm not interfering with the string, and as I bring my thumb down and it hits the string as I play it, you get those notes. Now the other thing you want to be aware of is right when you hit it, watch my thumb come up. So I'm coming up. Okay, and that's what's going to give us that artificial harmonic, and we want to try doing this obviously in different parts on the fingerboard. But another really important part about artificial harmonics is the horizontal positioning in which we're playing. Okay, you'll notice that when I play the note, I can get a harmonic there, but as I move my right hand here across the strings, right, we're getting a whole plethora of different notes there. Plethora, great word. Use it in a sentence tomorrow. Anyways, you have a plethora of different notes that are coming off there. And one of the things you can do if you want to have certain notes in a guitar solo that you're writing is just turn your tuner on your, your pedal board or whatever you're using, hit the tuner, and then hit some of those notes and find out what they are. I'm playing a D note here, but I can literally hit all these different notes, and let's see what I have coming up. There's like an E will come out of there, a C, a B. I'm looking at my tuner, by the way. So you have these different notes that'll pop out, and you can actually time those to happen at the right spot of the solo if you want to get that exact with it. If you're a little bit OCD, might be a way to go. But more importantly, just when you're jamming, just make the face and just freaking tear it up, and it's kind of a good technique you want to use.